Hello viewers, welcome to Simply Sketching channel. Late Shankar Nag was a well-known Kannada film actor and theatre actor as well and director. Today we'll draw his sketch. First we'll do the basic shapes. Then we erase the rough outline, use a black pen to draw his eyes. We use the same pen to draw the nose, mustache and lips. Then we trace the pencil to draw a correct outline of the face. But I have done a mistake with the left side hair. Then we use pen to trace upon this pencil line to complete the face and use warm grey marker pens to complete the hair. We use pen again to complete the beard and rectify the hairstyle behind the ear. We complete the sketch by using light and dark tint of warm grey alcohol markers to represent the facial features. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel.